Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean a stainless steel sink. Everybody has their own favorite cleaner they like to use. If you have a stainless steel sink that's got a lot of rust spots or maybe some gunk buildup around the edges or something like that, you want to use something pretty abrasive like Barkeeper's Friend, Comet, baking soda, or salt, things like that that can be abrasive also work really well. And you just want to sprinkle it wherever you're wanting to clean. Oh. Dampen a sponge, or if you need something more abrasive, you can use, a more rough sponge, or you can even use steel wool in this part of the sink. Don't use steel wool on your faucet because it's not brushed and it'll scratch it up. Just scrub it really well. And then make sure to rinse it off very clean. This is where you clean your dishes, maybe baby bottles or something like that. So you want to make sure that if you do use a toxic substance to clean your sink, you don't want, you want to rinse it off completely. You don't want any toxic substances to end up on your dishes or things that you're going to eat from. If you want to add a little bit of shine to your sink when you're done, dab a little bit of olive oil onto a paper towel and buff it. It'll give it a really nice shine. And that's it. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean a stainless steel sink.